Zillow is not your agent. Here's how to use it right and what it gets wrong. If you've been scrolling Zillow at midnight, you're not alone. Most buyers spend weeks on apps before they ever call an agent. That's fine. But today I want to show you how to search smarter, so you're not disappointed when you get to the real thing. Consumer search apps like Zillow, Redfin, and Realtor.com are useful tools, but they have real limitations. Understanding those limitations will save you a lot of frustration. The biggest thing to know: Zillow's listings can be 24 to 48 hours behind the MLS. The MLS, Multiple Listing Service, is the real-time database that agents use. A home can be taken off the MLS before it even shows up on Zillow. This is why working with an agent who can set you up on MLS alerts is so valuable. How to search effectively. Step 1. Get clear on your non-negotiables. How many bedrooms do you actually need? What zip codes work for your commute? Is a yard essential? A garage? Start with must-haves before nice-to-haves. Step 2. Set realistic expectations for your price range. Use a budget to know your real number. Then look at what that actually buys in different San Antonio zip codes. Step 3. Don't fall in love with photos. Photos are curated. Spaces look bigger. Staging hides problems. Use photos to filter, not to decide. Step 4. Get on MLS alerts through your agent. This means you'll see new listings the moment they hit the market. In a competitive market, being first matters. San Antonio neighborhoods worth knowing for first-time buyers: Converse, Universal City, Live Oak. Affordable, suburban, close to everything: Helotes, Leon Valley. More space, strong school districts. South San Antonio, historic charm, prices still reasonable. Ask me about any neighborhood. That's literally what I'm here for. San Antonio is a big city with distinct neighborhoods that feel completely different from each other. The right zip code for your life depends on where you work, what you value, and how you like to spend your weekends. I can help you figure out which neighborhoods match your lifestyle and your budget. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any videos in this series. And when you're ready to search with me, with real MLS access and someone who knows these neighborhoods, go to firsthometexas.com. I'm Frank. See you in the next one.